Chart is a global company where we have a big presence across the United States.
We do a lot of freehand welding, thin-walled, stainless steel. Right now we have a large need for welders.
You know, and what we've experienced from the welders that come from Tulsa, they've got the right foundation to start a career in welding and come into Chart and be able to build upon that.
Chart came to Tulsa Welding School. They called me in the office, asked me if I'd like to take a weld test for them. They called me a week later and they offered me the job. I was on cloud 9 for about 4 days. The things that I thought I'd never do in my life, I'm doing now.
And there's just so many companies out there looking for welders that it's a great occupation to get into.
If you want a good career and you like working with your hands, it's a bright, bright future. I mean, we are in deep demand of welders right now.
We're constantly looking for talented welders. We absolutely plan to continue the relationship with Tulsa Welding School.
Build your future. Start welding. Call Tulsa Welding School today.